2 raised to 50 and we have 3 raised to 40. So which of these two numbers is larger? So as what we can see, we cannot compare them directly because they have a different base and different exponents. So one thing to do is to compare them with regards to the exponents. But how do we do this? We need to find a way that our exponents 50 and 40 is expressed as a product, and we need to find their greatest common factor. In this case, we can rewrite 50 as 10 times 5 and 40 as 10 times 4. So with this, we can now rewrite 2 raised to 50 as 2 raised to 5 times 10. And we have 3 raised to 4 times 10. And we also know that by the loss of exponents, we can rewrite this expression as follows. So since this is 2 raised to 5 times 10, we can rewrite this one as a power of a power. Or in other words, we can rewrite this as 2 raised to 5 raised to 10. And you'll do the same thing for 3 raised to 4 times 10. And thus, we can rewrite this as 3 raised to 4 raised to 10. With this, since they now have the same exponents, we can now simplify the base and we can now compare which one is larger. So for the case of 2 raised to 5, so that's just 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 raised to 10, which is actually 32 raised to 10. And for the case of 3 raised to 4 raised to 10, so we have 3 times 3 times 3 and then times 3 for the base raised to 10. And if we simplify the product of this, we obtain 81 raised. Since they now have the same exponents, we can now see that 81 as a base is clearly larger than 32. So since 81 raised to 10 is larger than 32 raised to 10, we can now say that 3 raised to 40 is larger than 2 raised to 50. So that's it.